everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rachel and I am a fashion reseller, and I am doing a mystery unboxing. So this is from JOMAR. It is the first time I think that I've purchased from them before, and stop. And this is the 20 pairs of shoes. My dog, what is he doing? Look at him. Stop. Okay, 20 pairs of shoes, and I think I paid under $100 because I think I did have a coupon code. I'm hoping that the packing slip will be in here, but this is nothing special. I'm in my workout clothes. I just got done with the gym and had lunch, and I'm sweaty and I look gross, but you know what? This is a day in the real life of reselling. Like, go on somewhere. You're so nosy. All right, so this is a true unboxing. I have not even opened it. I've had it for probably about a week, and I just started a new job, so I haven't had a chance to open it up. Yes, I know. What is it? Okay, there is a packing slip, so that's good. I don't know if it will show my discount on there, but alrighty. So we have a little thank you card. So there's that, and then we have the packing slip. Okay, so this is, I ordered it December 4th. It did take quite a while to get here. So just full disclosure, if you guys are ordering, it may take a while. I think that was just during Christmas when USPS was just running so far behind. So hopefully it won't be quite as long. So this is the assorted mixed shoes, women's gently used 20 pairs. And I paid $98.04. I did have a discount code. So if you want a discount code, let me know. I can get you one. So yeah, right under $100. So this is kind of how it came, with some tissue paper. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna grab and go. I'm not gonna try to look. So they have them all rubber band together, it looks like. These are super nice. Okay, so here's the first pair. Scotty, oh, so nosy. So here's the first pair. These are just like some ballet flats, and the brand is Alfani. Honestly, I don't know what brand that is. I've never heard of it. I may have heard of it, I just don't know what it is. These are a size, oh, here it is, size 8.5. Okay, these are my size, so I could like model these. But they're in pretty good condition, so I like these. I'll definitely have to look up the name. So if you guys can help me here, I wish the light wasn't shine. Okay, it's like silver, so the light is just catching it. But if you guys can help me out with some of these brands, please let me know. All right, I'm gonna go for these because these are really cute. I love coral. Coral's always been kind of popular too, and these are in pretty good condition. So the brand is Kelly and Katie. There is that, Kelly and Katie. Scotty, I don't know if that's focusing, but it's called Jasmine, and it's a size 7.5. So here is these are pretty cute. There's the bottom. So they are worn, but they're not, I don't see like any damage. Well, there's a little bit of rubbing on the front of this heel, on like this part. But the heels themselves look good. So this is a great pair to post for the spring. So those are really super cute. I wish those were my size so I could model them. All right, let's go for some boots. Here we go. Oh boy, I think they're, wait, these are not the same. Look, here's the, okay, so we have two pairs of, or a couple pairs of boots. All right, let's go for these. These are nice. These are brand new. So here's what they look like, and then here's the sole. So like you can tell that they've not even been worn, or very, very, oh, they even have the thing in there. Looks like they're a size 37, which is a size 7 in US sizes. And the brand is, it says on the side there. Yeah, there's the brand. Not familiar with that. I can't really read it. So I don't know, let's see. It doesn't say. If you guys can help me out with that, let me know, because there's not any other markings. But they had these in there. I don't know if JOMAR put that in there or what, but those are nice. So let's go ahead and grab these. So these almost have like a quilted pattern on them, and they too have not been worn. Let's see, these are a size 39, which is a size 9, which I could wear. The brand, it just says 913 all the way down in there, and I don't know if it's, yeah, it's not even gonna be able to focus in on there. But 913, I have no idea what brand that is. I'll probably just keep these for myself because I could use some of the shorter rain boots. Okay, let's go with these suede heels. Ooh, they're genuine leather, so that is a plus. So let's see what we got. Oh, Healthy Heels is the brand. Never heard of them. So it's just a suede slingback heel. It has a peep toe. It does have the genuine leather stamp on the underneath, which is always good. They are a size 37, which is a 7. They look to be in pretty good condition. Yeah, like there's the soles, pretty good condition. I'll probably run like a suede brush over it, but for the most part they're in good condition. I don't know that brand, so yeah, the heels look good. I don't really see any damage, but if you guys have heard of that, comment below and help me out. All right, here's some more suede, and I see the genuine leather stamp on these as well. So we have some pumps. I can tell they're a bigger size for sure. Okay, Cole Haan. These have seen a little bit better of day. There's the bottom, and then you can just tell how it's worn on the inside, how just the paint is coming off. The outside though, the suede, I mean, there's some areas I can clean up probably, but I don't see any like damage per se. Even the heels look pretty good. So yeah, once again, I'll run a suede brush over these. These are a size 9. And here's the back where it says Cole Haan, and then it has the genuine leather stamp and the size. So those are nice. I actually really like those, even though they do have some wear on the inside. The suede itself looks really nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do these boots. Some more rain boots. These are a size 40, which is a size 10. Here they are. I'm not seeing a brand on these, like at all, like not down in there or anything. I'll probably still list them because people always need rain boots and they're brand new. I mean, they've not been worn or anything. There is a mark there. I might try to get off. Okay, I see some Uggs. Let's grab them out. Alrighty. These are really cute. They almost look like a moccasin here at the top, but they have an espadrille heel. Let's see, they feel like they're suede or leather. I mean, suede is leather. They have the like Sherpa in the back for the heel. Ugg Australia. They are a size 10. They're in decent condition. I mean, they can use like some shaping, I guess. I'll definitely have to put like a form in this to make this look better for pictures. But there is just some damage right here on the side. I hope you can see that on the side. There's just some damage there. And I'll just list that in the description. They'll probably still sell for maybe like $30. 25 to 30. All right, I see some, oh boy, I gotta look at these. Look at the embroidery on these. Oh, what size are these? 8.5. Oh no, these are my size. Okay, that's never good. These are so, I am such a sucker for floral. Everybody that watches my channel knows that because I talk about it. There is some marks on them, but otherwise they're in pretty good condition. These are so cute. There's the bottom. They're definitely worn. The brand is restricted. I think that's probably just a department store brand. I don't think that's anything fancy. But the heels, oh, look at how pretty they are. I might wear these tonight. Oh, anyway, those are 8.5. There is some marks. I'm sure that a suede cleaner would probably help that spot right there. Oh, those are precious. Okay, let's go with these. These are cool because they have that chunky heel. The blocked heel is definitely in. I will say that these, it's Raid is the brand. I've never heard of that. Quit being nosy. I've never heard of Raid before. They are really pretty, but I noticed a mark on the back. Once again, maybe a suede cleaner. These are all suede. I have a lot of suede in here. But these will probably come clean. I mean, they're new. They look to never been used. So I'll try to get that clean. They're a size 5, which is a smaller size, so they may not sell quickly. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna go with these because these are really calling my name. Like, look at these. All right, these are heavy. What are these? Platforms. Okay, Baker's is the brand. I'll try to show you. I don't think it's gonna be able to see it, but wow, these are chunky. They look new. I mean, it's that they've been worn a little bit, but not bad. They are a size, a size 8. If you know something about this, let me know. I don't know anything about these, but they are definitely on trend with the Doc Martens coming back with the like chunky heels. So those will probably do good, kind of like the 90s fashion. All right, we've got some little slip-ons. These are from Loft. They are a size 8. Very basic, just kind of a cute slip-on to wear in the summer. There's the logo. They could be cleaned. I'll probably clean these up. These probably won't sell for between 12 and 15, I would say. All right, we have some Lucky brand. I do love Lucky. Just some flats. There's the bottom, and they're just black leather. And let's see if I can find the size. I can see where the sticker was for the size, but I'm not finding it. Oh, here it is. 9.5 flats. Really nothing too crazy. They do have a cute kind of lace up there in the back, but nothing, kind of basic, more of like a classy basic. There is some wear just on the front. I don't know if that will show or not, but there is just some slight wear. They'll still sell though. All right, next we have some Topshop. People talk about Topshop that like it sells good, but I have gotten a few things from Topshop and they do not have a high resale value. It's kind of a fast fashion brand, I guess. But these are some suede, once again, slip-on block heels. They're very basic, just slip on. They might be new. Oh no, they've been worn, but they still have like the price tag stuff on the bottom. I'll try to get that off because I don't think that's very attractive. They're a size 38, so they're a size 8. I don't see any damage, which is good. Maybe just hit it with a suede brush. All right. Ooh. All right, we've got some moccasins, and it's Minnetonka, I think is how you say it. It's a very common name, common brand for leather moccasin shoes. They are lined with the animal print. Oh my goodness, if these are my size. Nope, they're an 8. Okay, I'll have to sell them because I am an 8.5. I don't think my feet will fit in these, but they are really cute. They look so comfortable for just being around the house. I guess you could wear these. They do have a sole on the bottom, but definitely like that house shoe moccasin feel. Those are cute. Those will probably sell for a little bit. All right, we have some more black suede. Dune Stores, 37. Okay, so here's what they are. They have the point toe block heel. They're black, they're suede, they're just a classic, but it is kind of worn off. There we go. So there's that. These are very basic. I do not know the brand. I'm assuming it's probably a department store brand. I don't know. All right, we have some more Lucky brand, and these are perfect for the spring coming up. I love wedges. Oh, there's 2 pair of wedges in here. So Lucky brand. There is that. And it has the cork wedge. Oh, please don't be my size. Let's see. Like I need more shoes. Okay, they're a 10. Okay, I can't wear a 10. But these are so cute. I don't see any damage. They look to be in good condition. There's the soles. But they're in great condition. So those will do well. I do love Lucky Brand. All right, we have some more wedges. These are Michael Kors. Let's see here. And these look to be in good condition too. Here we go. Very, very high wedge. And then of course it has the Michael Kors logo on, let's see, on that. These look to be a little smaller. Let's see, these are a size 8. So there's the bottom. So they have been worn, but I'm not seeing any damage, so that's good. Not even to the heel part. So I think those will do well as well. All right, we have 2 more pair. Let's see, the next is Moda. I've sold Moda before and I have no idea. I think they come from a department store as well. It says Moda Spana. Moda Spana, size 9. I don't know. They're not gonna sell for great. They are kind of newish looking. Platform, very high heel. They're a size 9. They have the peep toe. Once again, it's like that suede material. But they seem to be in really good condition. Like the heels don't even have any wear, so those should do well based on their condition. They do have like a really nice cushion in there. Like I don't think you can see it, but they have this piece that's like a cushion. That's really nice, and I think it came like that. I don't think somebody put that in there. All right, last but not least is Juicy, I think, because of the bag. Nope, New York. Nina. Oh, I thought it was Juicy. Let's see. Bag has seen better days. Okay. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, bet I do not know anything about this brand. And obviously there's something nice if they came in a dust bag. So help me out. They need to be cleaned. You can see like toe, gross stuff. They're a sling back. They have beautiful embroidery, block heel. They have been worn, but not terrible. But they both have the foot marks, which I can get off super easy with just some cleaning. But they also have residue where someone put like that made it more comfortable. Like they have this sticky stuff in here I'm gonna have to get off. Is it Nina? Nina? There we go. Nina. Okay, it says genuine leather. It's a size 6. So they are small, a small size. I'm assuming they must be something good since they came in the dust bag. So I will say the dust bag has like some loose threads, but let me know, guys. So I'm gonna double count these. Count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, 20. So there's the 20 pair. Let me know what you guys think, if you think this was a good haul. If you have any advice for some of these brands that I have no idea anything about, I would really appreciate your comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.